Load your family into the 2014 Jeep Patriot. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Jeep are offered, including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.